Hi, welcome back. In this video, we will see how to create a group and how to delete a group, how to assign a group when adding a server, also how to move a server between the groups. If you go to the Couchbase cluster and click on groups, you can see only one group, which is by default group 1. Let me connect to any one of the server nodes and try to add and delete a group. For the demonstration purpose, I'm connecting to the IP ending with 0.4. As you see here, I'm already on that node. This is a command to add new group. We are using CLI command, group manage, any one of the cluster node IPs, admin username, admin password, create, and the group name. Group 2 is the group that I'm going to create. Copying this. Server group created. Let's validate from the UI. Let me refresh. Click on groups. You can see group is created. For the demonstration purpose, I want to delete this group one more time using CLI command. Let me copy this command for the same. You can see server group deleted. Let me refresh. We can see only group 1 right now. We can also add groups from the UI also. Let me move a server between these two groups, group 1 and group 2. So I want to move 0.4 into group 2. This is the command to move a server between the groups. Couchbase CLI, group manage, any one of the cluster node IPs, admin username, admin password, and the list of servers I want to move. I want to move 0.4, one data node, one index service node, and one query service node as well. I am moving from group 1 to group 2. So once I execute this command, these three nodes will be moved from group 1 to group 2. I can execute this command from any one of the cluster nodes. You can see servers moved between groups. So let me refresh it. Click on groups. You can see group 1 is having 4 nodes, and as expected, group 2 is holding one data node, one index node, and one query node. After creation of group 2, we can see a warning, rebalance recommended. Some data does not have desired replicas configuration. So we can go to servers tab and click rebalance. Rebalance completed successfully. Now the current configuration is unequal groups, which means both groups are not having equal number of nodes. To test failover scenarios of server groups, you can check this checkbox, but do not enable this unless you have at least 3 or more server groups. So if you want, you can enable this and save it. But since right now I have only 2 server groups, I don't want to test this right now. Maybe if time permits, I will try to add more nodes so that I can segregate the servers into 3 groups and then try to test this scenario. So that is all about server groups in Couchbase, how to add a group, how to delete a group, how to move the servers in between the groups. See you in the next lecture. Thank you.